Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. And if you are sick of having pesky wires with your electric furniture, then you're gonna love this battery from the Blue Cactus.
I cannot stand cord clutter. So I was super excited about this battery pack that is just for your electronic furniture. All you have to do is charge up this great little battery pack and plug it right into your recliner. It has a double prong system, so you need to have that compatibility with your furniture, but look how great this is. It shows you how much charge is in this battery pack, and voila, your electric furniture works without having to be plugged into the wall. But if that's something that doesn't bother you, you can keep it plugged in and use this as a backup. So if you ever lose power, you don't have to worry about your furniture not working. I really love how compact this is, and now I can have my recliner right in the middle of my living room without cords all over the place. I think this is such a genius product. It works so well, and I could not be more happy with it.
Don't worry about losing power or tripping over those wires. You need to get this battery pack for your electric furniture. You're gonna love it, and that's my point of view.